Okay, so it's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning and we're hiding underneath our blanket.
Like really, it's freezing outside. Like,
and and right now for a flashlight we're using my little broken ass reading light. And this guy says, "You guys are really wiggly under there."
it looks totally wrong. Like we just keep moving and rolling.
But
Like,
it's concrete, so we got props.
you want to see everybody? All the light. All the light. Oh no. Look. They're building that crap. It's our friend Carl with a K. He's sleeping. Then a whole lot of other people. They're still building the tent. That guy's keep asking for a pencil. Like I don't know what to do. And
Wait,
And-
I gotta turn the light on.
back under the cover. It's freezing. Okay. So I don't know where we're at because I can't see anything. Okay, right here.
I'm gonna look like a deer in headlights. I'm tired. This is technically us camping.
Sleepover.
Yeah, sleepover on the street. Bum sleepover.
Say cheese.
Cheese. I know that's
Okay,
gonna look retarded.
we're gonna update back in like 3 hours. Peace.
Peace.